Class 6. Use of commas in Indian system of numeration. Why do we use commas in mathematics? Commas help us in reading and writing large numbers. We are not only dealing with small numbers up to 2 digit or 3 digit, we are also dealing with large numbers with 5, 6, 7, 8 and more digits. So, we use commas to read and write large numbers easily. In our Indian system of numeration, Indian number system, we use ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, lakhs and then crores. To identify each of these, we use commas. Commas are used to mark thousands, lakhs and crores. Why should we put comma? Where should we put comma? Come, let us see. The first comma comes after hundreds place, which means 3 digits from the right. After 3 digits from the right. And the first comma marks thousands. If you put a comma after 3 digits from the right of any number, it marks thousands. Okay. Then the second comma comes 2 digits later. Already after 3 digits, first comma comes. Now after 2 more digits, we have to put the second comma, which means we have to put the second comma after 5 digits from the right. It comes after 10,000s and marks lakh. It means 10,000 is over. Then we have to start with the lakhs and 10 lakhs. The third comma comes after another 2 digits, which means the third comma comes after 7 digits from the right, where after 10 lakh and marks crores. Example, consider the number 5080159 digit from the right, first digit, second digit, third digit. After 3 digit, put a comma. It marks thousands, which means 1000 and 10,000. Okay. Now, two digits are over. After 3 digits, 2 more digits are over. Now we have to put the second comma to mark lakhs. 8 lakh here, 0 10 lakhs, which means just 8 lakhs only. So 2 commas are over. After mentioning the lakhs in a number, we are using the third comma, which marks crores. Here we have 5 crores. 5 is in crores place. So what is the number now? We have a number with 8 digits. How to read it easily? By putting commas in proper place. Let us read now 5 crores, 8 lakhs, 1592. Is it easy now? Come, let us see one more example. First digit from the right, second digit from the right, third from the right. After these 3 digits, put a comma. It marks thousands. These 2 digits are falling under thousands. So 40 thousands. After these 2 digits, put one more comma. It marks lakhs, 32 lakhs. Then put one more comma. This number marks, this comma marks crores. So we have 3 crores, 32 lakh, 40 thousands, 781. We do not use lakhs, thousands in writing number names. Okay. And the last example is 7 crore 27 lakh 5062. Note, while writing number names, we do not use commas. While writing numbers, we use commas to read and write easily. to identify the number easily. Okay, but while writing number names, we do not use commas.